Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to create Deepseek account. To create a Deepseek account, you need to first of all head over to your respective app store, type in Deepseek on the search bar and install it. Now, you'll be then taken to the home page, which is going to look something like this. You'll be provided with different options to continue with Google, continue with password, or sign up. Since we are creating account for the first time, click on sign up. Make sure to agree to the terms and condition. After which it's going to ask you to type in or provide in the email and password, and once again you have to double type in the password and you have to enter in the code that's going to be sent to your registered email. So quickly entering the following information, after which simply click on send code. It's going to verify, so it might take a couple of seconds. You just be patient enough. So basically, here's my verification code. You can long press and click on the copy button, exit out and type in the code or paste in the code and click on sign up. After you're done entering the following code, you click on start chat, and now you've successfully created your Deepseek account on your device. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.